virtual machine and creating a client virtual machine, and configuring them to communicate with each other. First, download the VMware. First, open a web browser and go to the VMware website, download VMware Workstation, and run the installer. Follow the installation wizard and restart the computer if it required. Second, downloading operating system ISO files. Next, download the operating system ISO files that will be used in this lab. For the server, I will use Windows Server. For the client, you can use 10 or 11. Save the ISO files in an accessible location. Then open VMware Workstation. After installation VMware, open VMware Workstation on the home screen. Select Create a new virtual machine to begin creating the server. Next is choose typical configuration and click Next. Select the installer disk image file and browse for the Windows Server ISO. Then click Next. Enter a name for the virtual machine, such as server or your name. Choose a storage location and click Next. Specify the disk size, then click Next and finish to create the virtual machine. Next is install Windows Server. Power on the virtual machine, the Windows Server installation process will begin. Select the language and keyboard setting, then click Install Now. Follow the installation wizard until Windows Server is successfully installed. After installation, log into Windows Server, open the network setting, and assign a static IP address. This allows client computers to locate the server consistently on the network. Now create another virtual machine. Click Create a new virtual machine and select the Windows Client ISO files. Name the virtual machine client. Allocate storage space and click Finish. Then power on the client virtual machine and complete the Windows installation process. Configure the initial setting and create a user account. Set both virtual machines to use the same virtual network, such as NAT or host-only networking. This allows the server and client to communicate. Set the network adapter to the same network type used by the server. If the server uses host-only networking, the client should also use host-only networking. Assign the IP address in the same subnet. Next is test connectivity. Open command prompt or terminal on the client machine. Use the ping command to test communication with the server. If it replies are received, the client and server are successfully communicating. Verify the server. Now test communication in the opposite direction. Open command prompt or terminal on the server and ping the client IP address. virtual machine, created a client virtual machine, configured networking, and verified communication between them. And that's all. Thank you for watching.